Greetings, fellow vendors. Mike with 720 Vending here. Today I'm replacing the plexiglass on my CB6. Witter no longer makes these parts, so either you deal with it being broken or you fix it yourself. Here I have two pieces of 16th inch thick plexiglass painted to block off every place I don't need them seeing, making it for a total of an 1/8 inch thick. Here's the back of it. I've already removed the wiring from all the buttons. I'll remove the buttons and swap out the panels. Here's how it looks now with the new plexiglass panels in. Cost of repairing this machine is about $65. Got the can retainers back in there. It does require a drill bit, a hole saw for 1 1/8 inch for drilling the holes for the selection buttons. I do advise to go slow when drilling those through there. That way you don't crack the plexiglass. I am going to be ordering a new set of buttons. These ones are the originals, so it is time to replace them. Here's the buttons all reinstalled, wired and on. And then we'll see everything loaded up with all new cans. If you like the content here, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification. I am working towards a milestone. As well as, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day.